What it do, family? This your main man, Bumpy Johnson. Back at you again with another food review. And today we here in Nashville, hot chicken and wings, Hangry Joe's. Hangry Joe's is a new place out here in Waldorf area. And I rode past it before. I was like, damn, that place looks kind of cool, but I wasn't, I was doing my little diet or whatever. So right now, I'm taking a break from the diet for the day. I'll be back on it tomorrow, but I'm taking a break today, and I'm going to have some of this place because it looks interesting. It's called Hangry Joe's, and I got a chicken sando with fries, and Cutie Troy got 6 wings, lemon chicken with mac and cheese. So we're gonna try it out. I might try these funnel fries too for dessert. I'm gonna see about them or whatever, but I'm about to try this place out, man. It look real interesting. They got some nice graffiti and stuff up on the walls, and it looks cool, man. I think, the whole wall. I think it's might be a good place, man. So we're gonna check it out. I'll let y'all know when the food gets here. Give me a minute.
I warned you.
It's hot? It's gonna be real
I
hot?
told you it's gonna be a little bit hot, okay?
Okay, he gonna burn me up with the chicken.
It's not like,
It's not. It's,
You like spicy?
Oh yeah, I love
okay.
okay. So maybe
Yes.
I got a 1 chip in the car. You ever try it?
The what?
1 chip challenge.
Oh man.
I got one in the car. You wanna try it?
You know you have to sign a waiver for us if you got the Angry Hut.
Oh,
Do y'all have a challenge here?
Yeah, we have
Angry.
a
You said you
challenge.
gotta sign a waiver.
Yeah, for the Angry Hut you have to sign a waiver for us.
Oh, we gonna come back and do it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay.
And I'm gonna give you a badge if you make it.
Oh,
Okay.
Have anybody made it?
Yes, a lot of people. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what we have. We have some nice chicken wings. What's that? Honey chicken wings.
Lemon.
Lemon chicken wings. Open your mouth.
And if you guys like it, please put it on Google.
Oh,
Okay.
for sure.
Give us your feedback.
Mac and cheese.
Ooh,
Got
let's
mac
see
and
a cheese pool.
Cheesy. Yeah. We got the waffle fries, which is my favorite.
I don't know what these sauces are.
I love waffle fries. It look like it's just like a Cane's type of sauce.
Maybe it's like a ranch.
That's a ranch.
This
This is a chicken sandwich I got, but I didn't expect this chicken sandwich to come out like this. I thought it was just gonna be like a regular chicken sandwich, but this joke humongous. And I got 2 of my sauces over here, so I'm about to try everything and see how everything is, man. Okay, so we got some sauces. It looked like kind of probably like cane sauce or whatever. And this chicken sandwich is like, I don't even know what the hell this. Smells good. And these fries look busted.
Waffle fries.
Waffle fries look very good.
It's a little wet.
So we got some mac and cheese here. I don't know if y'all can see it. But it look a little wet.
The new school macaroni
We
cheese
got
is
some
wet.
good cheese pulled on it too. You know, you mixing all this up?
Mhm.
We got some good cheese, so we're gonna mix it up and maybe get a little thick with that cheese on the top. You know what I'm saying? But it don't look too bad. We'll try it. We'll start off trying the macaroni cheese. Real creamy. Not bad. It's like real creamy. But it's hot.
This tastes better than that. It's probably to Florida.
Yeah. I hope it tastes like nothing. It tastes good or it tastes cheap.
That macaroni, yeah, dang, it really does taste like nothing.
Okay, waffle fries pretty good.
This tastes like box mac.
Everything's good?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna try with some ketchup on it, or maybe a little bit of sauce. Taste the sauce right quick first. Taste the sauce?
Did we say this?
Oh, yeah, I said we tried that.
Yeah.
So I think for the food that we're receiving right now, Bless the hands that prepared it for me. May it be nourishing to our bodies. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
We'll try with some ketchup and a little bit of that sauce on it.
Ooh. Chicken crunch.
The sauce right here tastes good. A lot of places that be the key to this place be they got good little special sauce. That sauce good. Let's try one of that.
Okay.
Nice
Very
crispy.
good. Very good.
Nice crispy chicken wing. It's a little bit big for how I like them, but it don't look bad. It looks like it's a bit big. I'm gonna try it first, then I'm gonna dip it in ranch. So you can really taste the lemon in it. You know what I'm saying? Like some like lemon place, some like lemon peppers and all that. You can't taste the lemon, but this you can taste the lemon. It's good. That's good. Now let me try with this sauce. This sauce right here makes that fit. It's like a cane sauce a little bit. I like that sauce. It tastes not bad. It's like Korean fried chicken a little bit.
They got a little
Korean nuggets, I seen. So far this place not bad at all.
definitely better than the barbecue spot. Not
Yeah.
really.
I'm gonna try this chicken sandwich. You said it should be a little hot, so I'm gonna dip it. I'm gonna try the chicken first, then I'm gonna eat it as a sandwich.
Spicy? He said that spice is high.
Yeah, that's what I kicked for. Oh yeah, I know I ain't gonna do that challenge shit. This is medium. It's good, but look how big my chicken is on there, y'all. Look at this.
Is that cooked on?
I needed to cool this motherfucker down.
He warned you.
Spicy.
He told you. He said it's spicy.
So, the coleslaw give it an extra little coolness, but the spice really is there. He talking about doing a challenge. I will not be doing that challenge, sir. If this medium,
Ooh, the wings good.
yeah. I know Bean 301, I know you be looking for them challenges. I be watching your videos, and I know you be looking for them little spicy challenges. If you ever see this, look up Hangry Joe's. Come on out here and try it out, bro. This medium. I'm not a spice person. I don't never claim to be a spice person. I like some spicy stuff I can tolerate more than others. But I'm not a spicy person. I see you be eating all the other spicy stuff, so this would be a good one to try out right here, because this is a medium. And if you could eat, what is it called? Flaming hot or something? What do you call it? This place ain't no joke. They using them spices. But that coleslaw give it a little bit of, the coleslaw in there give it a little bit of, you know, it kind of cools it down a little bit. I'm trying to put all that sauce on there too. But it tastes good though. Try a little piece. So, waffle fries, get them about 9. The honey chicken, I give it about, 8.5. I like to try the other flavors of that, because it tastes like Korean Korean fried chicken. Good. The chicken sandwich, the spice level on it at a medium, to me, from 1 to 10, just the spice level alone, not how the chicken tastes. Spice level probably like a solid 8 to me. I'm not a spicy person, so to me on this medium, the spice level is an 8. And I would say, as flavor as a sandwich, I would get that down about it. 8.5, 9. Real good. Without some mac and cheese, I get that probably about 7.5. About 7. It's not bad. Overall, I get this place from so far, from what I ate, overall I get this place about a good 8. I think it's a good 8. I would come back here, you know what I'm saying? I would come and eat more food in here. This sandwich is huge. I don't even know which kind of chicken. Look at this sandwich, man. This is the bottom. Look. It's crazy. It's like 2 chicken sandwiches in one bun. For real. I'm not gonna finish it, but it'd be good to eat later. But overall, this place is at 8. I will be coming back here, and I will recommend people to come and check it out. But until next time, y'all, remember Bobby Johnson at Hangry Joe's. Gotta go. Peace.